po yung budget niyo for your grocery? And if you personally tell your staff kung ano yung mga menu na you'll make your baon, ganyan.
May I not share that? Kasi ano sila, sabihin nila, OA naman yan. No, in my defense, my mom taught me kasi na hindi pwedeng gutumin ng mga tao. And pag daytime, there are about 24 to 28 people in the house. And then, nighttime, there are about 14 of us. So, you can imagine what the food expenses are. Natawa na lang ako. Kasi parang, may petty cash na allowance for food, but I asked for all the receipts. And then, I know how much the budget is for outside because we have drivers, we have guards and all, and they're all beefy. I mean, they eat a lot of rice. And then parang yung ulam marami, so it's a lot. And then when they're there to edit also, nadadagdag sila. And then Kuya has a special menu because he has acid reflux. So there's so many things that he has to avoid, and then kailangan siya talaga. He likes eating 5 times in a day because that's what has kept his weight okay. So he has breakfast, and then he has lunch, and then he has fruits for merienda or a pick-me-upper, and then nagbabaon pa siya ng sandwich or something from the house, and then meron siyang full dinner, and yung dinner niya also has, hindi pwedeng matapos yung dinner without a full fruit platter. I think, sure na sure ako about the fruit budget. It's 14,000 a week for fruits. Because kami ni Kuya yun eh. And talaga, I'm really mahilig sa fruits. And mahirap akong pakainin ngayon. So, dinadaanan lang nila na. And I also know na medyo malaking budget for milk because the isang ganon of milk, I won't name it since we're not endorsing them naman, but it's the French one. Kasi that's the one that we like. So, isang ganon, it's 2/3 of the day. So, we finished 2 of those practically basta 2 of those every 3 days, nauubos namin. Maybe, wala pa si Kuya nga pala doon. So, baka, maybe more. Baka 1.5 of those every day. So, you can imagine how much we're spending on milk. Kasi, yun yung staple ng life ko. I start